Good morning, another beautiful day. Grateful to be here. Let's look at the charts. 1 hour. Okay, so just looking at the 1 hour chart, it looks like ES took out previous day's highs while NQ did not. So NQ is the weaker ticker. There's definitely a bearish divergence here, so we could see lower prices this morning. We did have news today. Today's news, we did, what is it? We had PPI. And then retail sales month over month at 8:30. So with that being said, looking at the 15-minute, I mean, this is definitely manipulation. There's one at 7:15, one at 8:30. Taking out London low. NQ took out Asian low. I mean, I think we could be headed to this imbalance here on ES. And it looks like NQ wants to take out previous day's lows before going up. So Asia, what did Asia do? Asia moved about 30 points, 28 points, which definitely consolidated, but London didn't manipulate. So New York AM session could manipulate. London low was taken out before NYC open, so we could see lower prices this morning. Looking at the 5-minute chart, price looks very choppy. Is there news tomorrow as well? Let's see if there's news tomorrow. All right. Yeah, there is news tomorrow at 10 a.m., so price could definitely be moving sideways as well. Setting up for the huge move tomorrow. Yeah, just judging by the price action, it doesn't look like this AM session will provide too much. We're going to be patient. We're going to see what 10 a.m. brings. All right, y'all. I'm looking to take MNQ all the way up to PD, all the way up to data highs right here when the data came out. There's a relative equal highs up there. This is going to be a 8R trade. If I see price acting up, then I'm just going to take profits. So my limit order is right here, right by the 50 fib level. The 50 fib level is due to, gosh, these executions. I'm going to take it to the left. Can't see nothing. Okay, so this 50 fib is taken from this order block from here to here. And that is the mean threshold of that order block. So I'm looking for NQ to pump up to data highs. Now let's look at MES. MES looks like it's moving a lot better. It's digging back into this fair value gap. I'm going to mark that execute here. All right, y'all, we're in. We are in 3 micro ES. There we go. Data highs. Look at all of this liquidity. The reason why I'm targeting that is because of all of this untapped liquidity here. So I'm expecting price to take all of that out. All right. So same as yesterday. Yesterday was all of this liquidity that was taken out, and then it took it out. It came up, took it out, and went the other way. So same thing here. I'm expecting price to reverse, take out all of this liquidity. Let's see how MNQ is doing. Didn't come back into my entry yet, so that could be a lost. Did go into the fair value gap. I might need to raise this, actually. It's pretty high. It's all right. Okay, data highs, relative equal highs there. MES is looking good. Not quite at that. There you go. So far, so good. All my positions are looking good. So I'm basically playing the 10 a.m. session fair value silver bullet. All right, this is the silver bullet entry. I missed the fair value gap entry. I thought it was going to dig a little bit deeper, but so I entered there. My entry could have been better on NQ. MES, same thing. There's a lot of liquidity here that I think NQ will take, MNQ will take. So I'm going to be a little patient here. The same goes for ES. There's a lot of liquidity here. So anytime I see that, I know price will want to target that to probably send price down lower. But this imbalance right here is a bit concerning. Also, Apex is doing their 80% off sale with 1 day to pass again. I might get another 2 or 3 evaluation accounts now just to take advantage of the 80% off sale. I'm not sure if I'm going to rush in to get all of those accounts funded, but just letting you all know what I'm doing. Alright, this could be like another 2-hour long trade for price to head back up there if it wants to. I mean, everything still looks bullish to me, but price can do whatever it wants, y'all. I feel like NQ is going to stop me out. ES still looks a little strong, but I do think NQ is going to stop me out. There we go. NQ stopped me out. I'm going to look for another entry on NQ. So right now I see a ton of liquidity being built right here. A lot of liquidity being built right here, right there. Same with NQ. There's a lot of liquidity being built right here, right here. Just gonna be patient, y'all. Alright. ES got stopped out. I think we're on the wrong side. I'm in. Targeting data highs. Stop is going to be this order block right there. Alright, y'all. I took this micro ES position before I went for a walk. I saw it holding this 5-minute order block, so I'm taking it up to the 15-minute consequent encroachment. We'll see how this position does. If it does well, then I'm gonna be in a good position to make up for the 4 losses that I had. So we'll see how this goes. If you think about it, in order for big money to continue to push price down lower, if they want to target these lows here, they can, but they've got to push price up higher to take out this liquidity before that happens. So while we're waiting for this trade, I've realized that if I'm going to be trading the silver bullet that I did here, I really need to follow the rules. So the target needs to be 10 handles or more, but you exit at 5, right? So if I look at my executions for this, I bought here. I should have bought at 51,725. If I'm going to buy here and my sell stop was here, my stop was there, I should have targeted, I need to target five handles. That should have been my exit right there. That's the silver bullet, right? It doesn't matter if it's 1-to-1 or 2-to-1. The silver bullet trade, the rules are there needs to be room for 10 handles or more, minimum 10 handles, and you take 5. MNQ is the same thing. And you need 20 handles or more in a move. So if I entered there, so the silver bullet, it should have been here. Stop loss here, 10 handles. This move, if I've targeted this high, was actually 27 handles. If I traded a mini, that's about $500. That's all I need. So if I'm going to use the silver bullet as a strategy, like, I need to stick to the rules. Anyways, I've got calls back to back, so I'm not going to be able to really record and kind of moderate, so I'm probably going to have to give you all an update during like the performance report or something. Alright, so I'll catch y'all later. Alright, y'all, I have a little break in between meetings, and I am in 3 MES and 2 NMQ. I will be taking NQ up to lunch high. MES, I'm taking it up to the 1 hour fair value gap, which is right here. Oops, that's the equilibrium point, actually. Oh no, yeah, 1 hour fair value gap right here. So we'll see how this trade does. Today was pretty difficult, actually. I'm not gonna lie. Today was a really hard day. With these positions, my account is in drawdown of $66. So we'll see. I made some pretty bad decisions early on. I made some. Basically everything was tested today. Wasn't really patient. The discipline was half there, which is the only reason why I didn't blow my account, or I didn't lose more. But I'll explain later. But this is just the position that we're in right now. So let's see if price wants to take out this pool of liquidity there and this pool of liquidity here. But I'm only taking NQ to lunch high. Just gonna be patient here. I mean, if it comes back down to my entry, then this is going to be one of the most max pain days ever. There were countless times when my position was in profit and it just trailed down and hit my stop. So yeah, max pain, max pain. I do not see price coming down without taking out this liquidity here. I just took it. Honestly, today, if I end up in the green today, then I'm not going to base it off of my skills. The first half of the day was just horrible. the mid part of the day, I just didn't have any patience. Today was mentally draining. It was mentally draining, and it shouldn't be like this. When you're trading, it shouldn't be mentally draining. It should be just you're in, set it, forget it. And I tried that, and multiple times today, I set it, forget it, moved up in profit, and got stopped out. But that's because my take profit was too high. All right. Put me out of my misery. Done. Woo! That was a rough day. What a rough day. All right, y'all. Long day. Back-to-back meetings. The AM trading session was a nightmare for me. Right now I am in this short. I did enter one ES short where I entered, actually I got stopped out here. Okay, so I'll explain all of this later. This was a huge hodgepodge of mess, okay? But here, I longed, stopped out, and I shorted here, and then I sold here. My original target was equilibrium of this leg, and then I decided that I just wanted to take profits because I didn't like price action today. So I took 3 contracts here, sold it there, and I took 3 contracts short here, and I'm selling it at NYC PM low, right? So I've got this, I have a good buddy of mine that spotted this, that told me about this entry, and I entered it right away after I looked at what he was talking about, right? So this was a good short, good call, thank you, my friend. And it's actually putting my account in the green from a very, very bad drawdown day. So yeah, let's just wait and see how this trade pans out. Let me know how y'all did in the comments below. Today, this chop was insane. If y'all traded in this chop and y'all came out green, kudos to you. If you all wanted to take advantage of Apex's 80% off sale and 1 day to pass, click in the link in the description below. They just notified everybody that they're doing that sale and that deal again. So, I mean, it could be a good way to take advantage of some practice accounts or even evaluations that you want to take to pass and get a funded account. I'm definitely going to take a couple more because you never know what's going to happen with my funded account. But so far, I mean, my funded account is doing well. Also, right now, crypto is cooling down a little bit, but the bull run's not over. If you want to take advantage of the bull run, click on the link in the description below. Kaizen Discord is probably one of the best crypto discords I've ever been in. I am still over 300% up on my investments, maybe even more. I mean, I think I'm in Dog with Hat. It's a meme coin, and that one, I'm pretty sure I'm up like 500%. Insane. Insane gains in the crypto world. We're almost there. Almost there. 8 handles away. 8 handles away. Yeah, if you haven't already, and if you're enjoying my videos, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K. It's been a wild roller coaster of a ride so far. And my goal is to hit 100K in profits trading futures. So we'll see if I get there. Alright, it's about to hit my take profit. Bang! Let's go! Let's go! Thank you, my friend, for this trade and this alert. Alright, performance report. Today, even though I'm in the green for 462.24, it was not a great day. I'm going to list out the reasons why. I took 20 trades. I had 10 losses. And my risk threshold was supposed to be $100, and my largest losing trade was $187. I lost my patience. I lost my discipline. And my risk management almost went out the window. And this could have ended up horribly. Horribly. Let's look at the TradeZella dashboard. For the month, we have gained 2.1K in equity. Today, we did 400, as you saw on the performance report from Tradeovate. And for the week, we are at 1.3K. We still have one more day to go, so we'll see what this brings. So I have traded 10 days so far. I am able to withdraw cash from Apex, but I'm going to wait until I have equity of $5,000 so that I can pull out $2,000. I just want to leave a $3,000 cash buffer. All right. All right, let's look at the executions. Man, I really don't want to show it to y'all. It's embarrassing. It legitimately is embarrassing to me. But here we are. Okay. So, we started off trading micro ES. This is the E-mini. So I tried to trade ES and NQ together. Not a great idea. Stopped out, took another trade, long, stopped out. I bought 3 here. I was in the green, stopped out. I mean, y'all can pause the video and see what, like, the trades that I took. These are my executions. And this is ES. Now this two contract trade was a mistake. I hit buy by accident and I sold. It was so bad, but after I sold, it started pumping up and I was like, oh my gosh, this would have been like $1,000, but it's okay. I don't need $1,000. This is a skills game, not a money's game, right? So the skill is actually what helps you get the money in anything that you do. Whatever job you take, you need to have the right skills in order for somebody to pay you, right? Same thing with trading. You've got to get the skills right so that the market will pay you. This right here was pools of liquidity for big money to set up to take. And this is exactly what happened. It took out this low for liquidity, took it up high, took out this liquidity here. It didn't want to go up higher than that. So anybody else that held, it was max pain for them too. Today was, even though I'm in the green, I'm not happy with my performance. I just got lucky to get out of the red and to stay out of the red and to be in profits today. The only skill were the last couple trades, and that should have been it for the day. 2 trades and done, except I took 20 trades total. So not a great look, not a good day for consistency. I'm going to be the first to admit it. Like today's trading day was absolutely horrendous. However, I will get there. Emotions get the best of us sometimes. So if any of y'all are struggling, hang in there. You'll get there. This is just the beginning of my journey. I was able to overcome certain aspects of the trading psychology right now, but I still have a long ways to go. Yeah, let me know in the comments how you did, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow.